Let's see. Is this gonna work? I don't know.
Be nice if we could, but
Wait, maybe. Yep, cool, got it.
oh, sick. Let's go. Huge.
Discord and then pull up ground control. All right, cool. I am ready to roll. Let me finish writing this little bit of code. Little main lines at line. That should set that up properly now. I believe I already reset my save files, so. Let's put in a breakpoint. And.
Oh.
Hmm.
Hassan is live.
Oh, okay. Maybe he just doesn't have anything scheduled while he's in Japan.
Mm-hmm. Northern Lion is playing some indie game, it looks like.
Cool.
Puck.
Salmon are truly
I'll pull up
remarkable
our
creatures.
streams and get those average
At the end of their
viewers numbers
lives,
up.
Salmon will return to the place where they were born to lay their eggs and die. But how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory.
Okay, quick game. Quit. Great. Closed. And then now I can go look because it's been unencrypted, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was like, I don't know.
Lines. Where's my dialogue queue? It's M1C. Okay, so the only problem that I foresee is that I am not saving lines that are currently in progress.
Mm-hmm.
Because I mean, I guess we could save another variable that stores the like currently stored line, but
Your call.
I kind of think that's okay. I don't really care if people are gonna quit in the middle of like a narration line, like whatever.
Just drop it.
That's on them.
But it'll save the queue of the ones yet to come.
It'll save the queue of the ones yet to come, and it has the list of all the rest of the lines in the Dark Primes. Hi, thanks for joining the YouTube stream.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm not concerned about that. So I'm gonna ignore that.
What's up, Silva?
Silva, hello. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Are both of you on YouTube? Are you on vertical, like shorts, or like landscape, horizontal YouTube? I'm always curious because I think we get most of the people coming in through shorts.
Yeah, every time we start a stream, we get like a handful of people from vertical. And they'll say, hey, and then they leave.
And they leave. Please don't be like that.
You can leave if you want. We're going to be making a game.
Are you, bro?
Oh my goodness, they're still here. We're making a game.
Whoa.
So many people.
So many people.
Where are you from?
We're from Washington, United States. Okay.
Shorts. Yep.
Shorts, yeah. That's kind of what we thought.
We're doing good.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
Demo's coming soon if you want to try it out. Upstream on Steam. You can wishlist it now. Narrator. Well, I guess I didn't check to see if the loading worked. Yeah, we are. Indie game devs. We started our own indie game studio and we're publishing our first game next month. Not next month, 2 months. 2 months.
This is what we're making. If you can see this.
Yeah.
We use Godot.
Yeah. Godot game engine, our favorite.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures.
Oh my gosh, it looks so different.
Yeah. Shoot. Okay, so I just reloaded the game using an old save file, and it started the narration from the beginning.
Hmm. Unreal.
Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine's cool. It's very heavy duty. I think maybe it like has a whole lot of tools.
Yeah, I've never used Unreal. I used Unity for like a project or two. And then we kind of switched to Godot. This is a
And you never look back.
yeah, it was like summer 2 summers ago we switched because we were like, this is cool, open source, let's support this. And then like what, like 6 months later, the Unity drama happened.
Yeah, we like timed it really, really well
Yeah.
to start learning something new.
Yeah. Granted, we weren't deep into any projects like
No.
a lot of like game devs were that were like,
Yeah.
transfer to Godot or another engine. Yeah.
Interesting. So this check that we made doesn't. I don't think narration as default is ever set to false properly.
Not set to false properly.
Let me double check. Game save load.
Let me see. I've done the logic wrong.
Player data. Narration is default is still true, even though I'm loading a save that has narration data in it.
What?
Oh, I should share my screen with you on Discord too, so you can see.
Yeah, let's look at the process. So on save narration data, these should be hitting. What?
This is if statement is never true.
Oh.
What is
It's
it?
not. It's not actually in set data. This takes in the like JSON parsed object and converts it to a dictionary, and then in here I set all of the.
Oh, and you never said.
And I never added this.
Gotcha.
You can, okay, you can add this actually.
Where
so
am
I
I
don't
at?
have to. So this is in set data and player data.
Set data. Okay, right here.
And then just do I can copy paste you this line.
Okay.
I opened my first app on March.
Any advice? We've never done it either, so it's the first time for us too. Where our Upstream is also set to come out this March, so we'll be doing it together. It seems.
Yeah. Is this like a game app?
Like an app store app.
I guess it could be either.
Say hi to the people on the stream. Oh yes. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you want to tell the world?
That should do it.
Anything? Anything at all? Okay. All right. Did you text me a line or?
Yeah, it's in Discord.
Okay. What kind of app are you making?
You too. Shopping app. Well, that's cool.
Shopping app, like, what for? Shopping for narration is default, data up there, narration is default. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just put that below the narration equals data dot player
Yep.
data dot narration. Okay, cool. All right,
Should do it.
let's see what happens.
I'll restore mine so I can pull fresh. I don't think I didn't make any changes. Cool.
Okay, let me double check that this thing is integrating with
Nice.
Shopify. Oh, nice.
Yeah, there was like a time there post grad when I was thinking about making like an app,
Yeah.
but like I don't know, I could never think of a good solution to something. Like I feel like you have to have a good problem
Mm,
and then like something that you're like kind of passionate about, or like
yeah.
I want to solve that problem.
I have an app that I really want to make one day.
Yeah.
I really want to do a. Shoot, is that an error? Dang it. Unable to access property or key M1C in base type dictionary. So one of these dictionaries did not get set up properly.
Uh-oh.
No, I really want to do a Duolingo style application for music education. And for music theory and ear training. And I know that Duolingo has started adding music to their app. I haven't used it a ton, but I'm not too crazy about it. And as someone who went to school for music teaching, I would love, and who has a computer science degree, I would love to be able to have an app that does music education in the way that Duolingo does, and sort of gamifies it to an extent that makes it addicting. Because like, there's so many. Like there's so many things in games that are so incredibly addictive, and so often that like those addictive tendencies are used for capitalism. And I would love to, why can't we just make learning addictive, you know?
Yeah. Sing Sharp. What's Sing Sharp?
Oh gosh, someone did it already, didn't they?
But it's all about execution. If you can
Right.
do it better,
Do
you
it better.
still do it.
I haven't used Sing Sharp. I know that it's the website I'm thinking of. Oh, musictheory.net has a ton of amazing ear training tools and like music theory lessons on their website, and they've adapted all of those tools and lessons to an app that's this incredibly featured application that has all kinds of activities and tools that you can do. So it's really, really awesome. But the problem is it's not fun and it's not addictive. And so the goal would be to take something like musictheory.net's sort of tool suite and gamify it and turn it into a sort of social experience like Duolingo does, which I think could be a pretty fun project. But unfortunately, I don't think it would make a ton of money, because I believe very strongly in the right to free education, and so I would feel wrong charging for it.
Hey, what do you think of like the freemium model that like Duolingo does?
It's not bad, and I think Duolingo strikes a pretty good balance, all things considered, with it. Like, I'm pretty sure you have access to everything in Duolingo for free, right? It's almost everything, and the things that you pay for is mostly like getting your streaks back, or like doing extra stuff. I don't know.
Yeah,
To be
there's
honest,
extra stuff that you can pay for to they keep track of your mistakes, and there's like special little like, oh, I just want to focus on my mistakes. You have to pay. You have to be premium to use that feature.
Interesting.
But like the normal lesson progression is completely free.
Huh.
And they throw in like, let's practice your most mistaked words or whatever all the time.
Sure.
But like you can't like go in and use that page if you're not premium.
Interesting. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't love that personally. Like, that seems like a really helpful tool. Not one that you should have to pay for. So I don't know. I would like to do it one day. Maybe when I thought about maybe starting it as a super long-term project while I'm at my next job.
Yeah.
But I also think it would be super cool to do it in Godot, because
Mhm.
then
I
you
mean,
can export it to every platform, and like you can make it a web app, you can make it a iOS app, a Android app, you can put it on anything basically, without having to code it specifically for those things, you know.
mhm.
Um,
Yeah. Duolingo, they have, in terms of like the way they gamified it, they have like a leaderboard
mhm,
and
yep,
they have like ranking up, which is like, I don't know, what's whatever. It doesn't really have the rewards or stuff. Like
mhm,
they don't really do any FOMO, um,
right,
which FOMO is like one of the big
king,
ones.
yeah,
Um, they do streaks.
streaks,
It's
yeah,
a
I
big
like that a
one.
lot. Because that
Streak
that
is
that
good.
one I like, because it, especially in like an education sense, it's actually, I think, really helpful because it encourages
Building
repeated
habits.
repeated
Yeah.
practice and habit. Like FOMO is a tougher one to like justify, I think, from like an educational philosophy. Uh, but I like the idea of streaks and like encouraging regular practice and habit. I think that's great.
Yeah. Oh.
Dictionary.
I guess they do a little bit of FOMO.
Using a lot of
Um,
easy to use and multi-platform. What's Flutter? I've never heard of that.
I've heard of. I've never used Flutter.
Is it like a like a JavaScript API or something, or
That's what it's. Open source UI software development kit created by Google.
oh, that's cool.
Used to develop cross-platform from a single code base.
So is it like a language, or like kind of like a game engine but not for games?
Mm, Sure, what Flutter is written in.
Dictionary main lines is empty. Searching main lines for M1C. C is
It's a
not.
language. Oh, it has its own language.
Oh, okay. So it's searching for M1C. Why? Because M1C was in the queue. Using an Android Studio. Yeah. M1C is
So use
humans.
for robotics.
Yeah. Oh, there. Did you know that there is a breakpoints list?
And you can just clear.
I don't know if you can clear it, but there is definitely a list where you can jump to each of your breakpoints. I don't even. It's this big box right here on the right. I didn't even
Oh.
notice it.
I definitely looked at that box and just didn't even like compute. Okay.
um. Why is this? D.
What am I gonna do after this? I think I branch. Make copy main scene. Do that. Do that.
Move it? No.
Oh, it's already there.
Inline key. Oh. I should make a space game next. Something about black holes or dark energy. That could be cool. We do have a we have a plan already for the next game, but that's a secret. We can't tell you yet because
Could be similar vibes though.
Yeah, similar feelings could be felt while playing our next one.
That's like a type of game that I've always wanted to make though. Like maybe not always wanted to make, but I think it'd be really cool to make like a cosmic horror game
Mm.
that's in space. Because there's a lot of games that take place in space, but like you're like in a spaceship.
How else would you do? Do you mean like on a planet?
I don't know, like somehow like evoke that the like feeling of space where it's like you're so small and
Mhm.
space is so big and there's so much unknown. Like I want that to be the focus of the game.
I could imagine. I think you have to have a spaceship, but I think it would be important that you leave the ship and you don't do it when you're like on a planet. You do it in space to like, I don't know, repair the outside of it or something.
Mm-hmm.
And oh, that could be a cool moment where you're like, maybe you've gone out a couple times to repair it after on different parts of the journey at different points in time, and then the next time you go out and there are no stars in the sky anymore, and the skybox is just black. Like, that could be spooky.
Yeah, or like something is like damaging your ship or like
Right.
something.
In music theory, we fall into a gravitational well if you miss a music note. Oh yeah. Can make it space themed music app. That could be fun.
I like could be a rhythm game.
Hmm.
Yeah, because like Duolingo music is just kind of piano notes,
Mm-hmm.
remembering sounds and like shapes, but it's not like a rhythm game.
Right.
I guess it does have a little bit of rhythm, but that would be so fun.
Bring out the reality of space. It's scary and always wants to kill you. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. Okay, I think I need to pass both of them. Just one. And this two. Right. Sorry, this is taking me just a little bit longer than I thought it was going to take to fix, but it should be okay.
You're good. Applied.
That sounds like a very abstract concept.
Yeah. Wonder how the gameplay would work.
Yeah.
It's a dog.
Which course did we do? Like for learning Godot, we didn't use any courses really.
YouTube.
YouTube.
YouTube and the Godot docs, and
Yeah, the documentation.
anytime there's a problem, find a Reddit post from 6 years ago.
Yeah. For 6 years ago and Godot 3.
Yeah. Have to find out what the method call changed to. That's always a classic. Find the solution to the thing I want. Oh, that doesn't exist anymore. Have to look up what it's converted to.
Yeah. Okay, that should do it. And then in the setup for this function, we have to pass it two things. and Q. Do you have to check for both? Like in college? Oh, in college. I mean, are you asking like specific like computer science courses? Because the two of us both got bachelor's in computer science degrees.
Yeah.
Although mine is just a bachelor's of arts, so I didn't have as many strict requirements, which means it was nice because then it means I got to take extra classes that weren't required, but it also means I didn't have to take operating systems or computer organization or anything like that. But I had room to take computer graphics and
You got some
and intro to AI and machine learning classes. So
definitely more fun electives. My electives kind of stinky a lot of the times.
yeah. Okay, we're gonna delete the save file. Run the game, see what we get. That's a breakpoint. Okay, I'm gonna skip it and hope I don't have any problems because I don't remember why I put that there.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born to lay their eggs and die.
Okay, then we're going to screen, quick game. Boom. Okay, now go look at the save file. It's going to have what in it? M1B in the dialog queue. Main lines does not have M1B. That's okay. Let's see here, I'll put it there. Start the game now. Okay, now let's go take a look at the main lines. Okay, ready? Hey, thank you so much. Go check it out. It's available to wishlist now on Steam.
Did we talk about the gist of it?
Oh, I don't know if we have. It's a physics platformer where you control a salmon using only 2 buttons. So it's super, super easy to control, but very, very hard to master. We're using the Godot game engine. You should. Everybody
It's
should.
fun.
It's fun. I love it. Okay, I'm going to push these changes. I think it will have fixed the narrator saving and loading, and that should be good to go.
Sweet.
Share the link. Yeah, let me go grab. I just pushed that. I hope I didn't have any merge conflicts. I didn't check. Nice. Automatic merge. Hope it's okay. Yes, let me grab the link here. Upstream. First thing that comes up. Right here. And let me pull up the YouTube stream so I can send it to you. Let's see, I believe you said you were in the vertical stream. Yeah, there we go.
There's like, okay.
What's up?
Yeah.
What did I screw
That's what
up?
I thought. No. I was thinking about while you're doing that, I was seeing if there was some way for me to hide the encryption key for the file.
Uh-huh.
The consensus and what I thought was no.
No.
It's like if you are encrypting a file with an encryption key, it inherently has to be on the user's computer.
Yeah.
because they have to use that key to decrypt the save data.
Yeah.
Um,
Unless you're sending it to a server somewhere.
yeah, unless you're doing that. So it's like, I don't know. I guess the way we're doing it is fine because it's to the point where like a person can't just open the save file in Notepad and change their current position.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
They have to go that extra step. They're like, hey, go into the
Mm-hmm.
like decrypt or decompile the executable,
Yeah.
find the encryption key, use the encryption key to decrypt the file, change the line, re-encrypt the file, put it back.
You could call, if you really wanted to be sneaky, call it something totally unrelated. Like don't call it an encryption key. Call it like some sort of
Yeah.
parameter, you know? Like
I
that would be the way to do it.
I was thinking of adding like some other secret check, like it decrypts it, but it also like when you save, it like grabs the last digit of the X and Y locations, saves
Mhm.
those. And so like if they change the position and it doesn't equal that check, then it's like it knows it's been
Tampered with.
corrupted.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
that's a good idea.
But like
Do we care that much?
yeah.
I don't know. I mean, if we're gonna put leaderboards in, then maybe we do.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Maybe I'll add just a Trello thing.
Sure.
Like if I have time.
Yeah. Okay, narrator should be done now. Narrator saving and loading should be done, so I'm going to move that to completed demo task.
Do you think we need to do more testing on that?
I don't think so. But I say that, and we probably will, but I think for now it's probably okay.
Okay.
Sound popping if slowly swimming across surface. I edited that a little bit. Do you want to try it and see if you're satisfied with
Sure.
it?
Let's delete my save. Oh, it's already gone. Nice. Oh, I still have breakpoints. Oh, if you right click breakpoints,
It deletes
delete
them.
all breakpoints.
Oh, cool. Do you have the narration on right now?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
What I'm listening to.
Thanks very
Thanks.
much, Silva. We appreciate it. Should be a demo coming out relatively soon. What do you think?
I think it's good.
Okay, cool. We'll move that out of the bugs as well.
Nice.
Generate. Do that. Is return dictionary. ID is key in the synced audio file as the value. Okay, that's right. Pseudocode for that function then. Generate boats. And we're going to pass it the clip list.
I just got stuck.
What? Wait, let me pull up Discord. Stuck? Like you can't move at all?
Yeah.
Really? Where are you? Oh,
Huh. Check this out.
I didn't know that was possible. There should be some velocity being applied to you when you jump out of water and you're touching terrain.
Fish. Underwater. False. Touching terrain. True.
Touching terrain. Let me find that variable. Touching terrain. Okay, here it is. It's not used very much. Oh, it's only ever set to true and false. We never checked. Wait, maybe that code never got moved to the new player control. Because when we switched to the physics body, the bounces and the sliding became natural. We weren't having to simulate it.
That's right.
So that code we didn't move it because wasn't necessary anymore, but it turns out maybe it is.
Oh yeah, we need to
That's an easy fix though.
'Cause I don't want to reintroduce Spider-Man climbing though, you know?
Yes, I think. Okay, here's my solution. If not underwater
Mm-hmm.
and touching terrain
Mm-hmm.
and the velocity is 0, so you cannot be moving, then when you make a movement, it'll give you some random value in the direction that you move, and it'll send you that flying that way. So the only way that this is possible to be hit is if you're out of water, you're touching terrain, and your velocity is 0. I'm surprised that you weren't able to spin at all. Where like, do you still have it paused there?
Yeah.
You're in the air. You should be able to spin.
I'm not in the air.
Oh my gosh. You just landed perfectly.
I landed at an angle and then the fish just slowly fell.
That's so funny.
What if like what if we did like hmm if instead of like a random direction, what if it was not random? And so like if you're touching terrain,
Mm-hmm.
you like do a little kick. So like if I hit right, it'd apply a little velocity like forward, and if I hit left, it'll apply velocity like the other way or
Well,
something.
that's the thing. It wouldn't be random. It would be based on the input. But like, I don't think we want it to be super consistent. Like, or
Well, I'm trying to think if there's a way, because if we just do if velocity 0 and
Uh-huh.
touching terrain,
and
then like
not underwater.
theoretically you could still Spider-Man crawl.
Only ever when you hit the very top of your fall.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
I don't think this is hard to recreate. I'm gonna move around. Like, yeah, I'm stuck again.
Okay.
So
Well,
like,
wait. The only reason no, we can't have points that are only one tile, right?
the points that are only one tile.
Like the reason that you got stuck there is because it's totally flat.
Mm-hmm.
But if you move up a little bit, they're all pointed. All your other like ridges are triangles, not rectangles.
Yeah, it's just like all these ones are flat.
Yeah.
Some weird lag there. Random spike. Let's see if I can do it right here. Gosh dang it. See that slips. It's like if you have enough like that.
Yeah. Well, what if... No. It doesn't have to be a lot of force, right? It can just be a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Perfectly stuck there too, huh?
Yeah, as long as like... Yeah, I think maybe just check linear velocity is 0. Try that first.
Then what do we do? If
Do the random like movement or
Okay.
how you did last time.
if not underwater and touching terrain
Bird keeps coming back.
and state linear velocity. Oh, this is supposed to happen in the ready function, or not supposed to happen in the ready function. In underwater and state linear velocity does not equal vector 2 dot 0. And then we say if there's an input, we do a quick check for an input.
What?
Input and linear.
God. This could crash.
What's that?
For some reason my Godot is gone.
Oh, the editor.
Yeah.
That's what mine usually does if it crashes with the game running. The game will stay running, but the editor crashes because they're separate processes. Linear velocity. Bulls. Okay, I'll see if I can.
But how do they know exactly where to return to?
Oh my gosh, what? I got another bug in the dictionary. No!
Yeah, I think we need to debug that pretty heavily, test it.
Why is it asking me for M1A?
Okay, is there anything left in this scene that I want to adjust before I branch?
Oh, this. It's asking ID. Wait a minute. Invalid access to a property or key M1A on a base object of type dictionary.
I just got that error too.
That. But if you hover, wait, main lines doesn't have M1B or doesn't have M1A, I guess. Mainline key queue. Okay. Saves. Let's see, so apparently my what? Good night. Have exams or just added to my wish list. First download comes out. It was nice meeting you. Hey, thanks so much. We appreciate it.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Thanks for stopping in. Good luck with your exams.
Yup.
It is not changed. Not sure that that's what we were talking about. Actually, I'm positive that that's not what we were talking about.
All criminals get shown the door. We broke? What do you mean we broke? That should be 200.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were. Look at her go. Every leap is a victory. As I was saying before, salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born to lay their eggs and die.
Gaming?
Ah, things do not
What do
always
you-
go as planned.
Yes.
What are you
Salmon
talking
truly
about?
Remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon
Invasion
will return
of
to the place
country?
where they were born to lay their eggs and die. But how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the
Stuck. Okay.
Better.
Oh, I'm gonna get an error, aren't I? Nope, I see. I think, okay. This way to get stuck should only... I'm a little confused as to how it is possible because you should be able to spin when in the air. Whenever you're not,
Mm-hmm.
like, you shouldn't be able to get stuck like that.
Mm-hmm.
So we shouldn't need to add any extra velocity because the angular velocity.
Could be a physics thing that like
Okay, I think I found it. If our linear velocity is not 0 and we're not breathing, then we set the angular velocity, but otherwise we set it to 0. So that could be if whenever the velocity is 0 or whenever we are breathing, or both of those things. Okay. And not under and water and okay, let's try that one.
get that one bigger.
Nope. Or, it's gonna be or, not. Okay, I think I fixed it.
Yeah.
Let me reset the save file because right now the save, it's just the narrator's got a bug in it. But
Touched up the cave a little bit to make it a little brighter towards the top.
oh shoot, no, I definitely wasn't.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will
needs to be
return to the
brighter.
place where they were born to lay their eggs and die. But how do they know exactly where to return to? The smell of their home streams and the surrounding waters is imprinted in their memory. However, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the earth itself as look at her go. Falling is just another step forward. As I was saying before, however, smell alone is not enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field of the earth itself as a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one of the many challenges they face.
How's this look?
Take a look at this salmon. Sturdy, stalwart,
Better.
brave. She is deep in the ocean, and the time has come for her to find her way home. We join her for the end of her journey. It is essential that she succeed in order to bring life to the next generation. Normally, salmon will make this journey in large groups, but she is alone. The odds are against her. Salmon do not tend to last long without a run. But she is sturdy and stalwart, and brave.
Okay, I guess I didn't fix it yet. It was weird. It like was working and now it's not. Oh, now it does. How did I even get stuck there? I just like paused it and unpaused it and I came unstuck.
Fuck, I just got stuck.
How is this
Wait.
happening more now?
I'm turning. I'm slowly turning. There we go.
This is where things will start to get tough. She must now make her way inland. A multitude of challenges and discoveries await in the journey ahead.
Okay. Should be fixed. Now let's figure out what the heck I did to screw up the narrator. Again.
That's what I was gonna do.
Oh, interesting. This settings, it's empty. Odd. Set the lock queue that can be empty. Turns. Inline key.
Alright, I'm gonna make a duplicate of the main scene.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah. Unless
Okay.
you think there's anything else I should change?
Let's see, the narrator is part of it. The music
This'll-
manager, I think, is a global right now.
Yeah.
And that's okay, because we don't need to save any data related to music.
Yeah. And narrator's instantiated, so
The narrator's been instantiated, so yeah, I think it's time.
happy with the level. Well, I'll change the level, but I don't know. We can change stuff if we need to. It's not that big a deal.
Yeah. What's the easiest? This is a stupid question.
Hmm.
How do I put two arrays together? Just plus? No.
Plus should work.
Oh, plus should work? Okay.
Yeah. Pretty sure that's overloaded. Okay, so this is the demo level.
And that'll return a new array with both of them together?
Yeah. Should. Alright, I'm going to delete. Up layers. Delete waterfalls, salmon ladder, mountain spring.
Everything. You're gonna delete the lake too?
Yeah, I might leave like. Do you think we should leave like one for the end platform to like tease if there's
Maybe.
more?
Yeah, sure.
Salmon are truly remarkable creatures. At the end of their lives, salmon will return to the place where they were born.
Make sure these are not by reference.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's look at the settings file. Okay, M1B is there, and then M1C is there, and set. Let's run it again and finish setting it. Okay. Now I think we'll see. I got that last
Nice.
list accounted for in the narrator.
But how do they know exactly where to return to?
How do they know exactly where to return to from someone's
The smell of their home streams and the surrounding waters
Are subtitles hooked up right now? If I turn this on, will I
is
see?
imprinted in their memory.
Think so?
However,
Oh, yeah.
smell alone is not
That's cool.
enough. Salmon also use the magnetic field
And it turns off
of
at the end of the line.
Earth itself as a compass to guide their way home. But navigation is only one of the many challenges they face.
Cool. All right, I will push that fix up. And there's a fix for the player getting stuck.
There you go.
Okay. That's
What's happening? Oops, that was on inner.
okay. Make poll. Good. Okay. I just pushed up those two fixes.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's focus.
Shoot.
Hmm. I'm looking for permutations, not combinations. Right?
Hmm?
Or no, I am looking for combinations, aren't I? Right. Okay, question, but this one.
Okay, close that off. Where do we want the start to be in the cave?
I thought we
demo.
weren't gonna use the cave for the demo.
Oh, that's right. We were just gonna start right here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me just try to think what the best way to do this is. Here, I'll pull.
Okay.
Too far gone. Are you still here?
I don't think so. Why?
Because I want to delete his comments. Because they are borderline racist.
Yeah. Let's see. See if I can pull up the YouTube stream manager.
Yeah.
Go to this. There we go. No more.
Nice. Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, foreground.
Okay.
You think, should I like leave a little bit? Like,
Yeah, I think you could do that. Yeah. Are you then just gonna like fill in the whole rest of the cave area so it's not visible?
Yeah, or just like the stuff that is visible, and delete the
Okay.
water bodies.
Okay. And then you gotta delete the
Um,
salmon berries too. So all this stuff.
yeah, Sandberries, hidden areas.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay.
we could add like a little like sign like coming soon, or like
Mm-hmm.
those are always kind of fun. I feel like in demos, like
Under construction.
yeah, like we could put it up here too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's delete these 3 salmon berries, and then cave, hidden areas, bottom cave, spiral room, big cave, start skip cave. Oh, oh, that's right. Delete all of these. Just delete this. Delete node. All 5 of these. Delete. Delete. We can delete all of the lighting. Don't need that. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I guess.
Could be nice to have some lighting in the upper area, I guess.
Do you think we should put some small ones?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, maybe even big ones in the big area. It feels like they're maybe a little dark, but you have to see how it looks. They'd have to be pretty subtle.
Because the thing is, it's like, um, it's like the caves have the darkness,
Mm-hmm.
darkness, the darkness being applied, and then they have the lights.
Yeah.
So like they look pretty light.
Yeah, that's true.
And then if you go really fast, up here looks actually darker, you know?
Right. Yeah.
So it's kind of unappealing.
Mm-hmm.
So we could put like slight lights.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Okay. I'll set them up in here and then I'll just copy them over.
Cool. I need to use the ID as a key. Hmm.
Please. There we go. I clicked. Move node here. See how this light looks? Why are there 2? What do you think of this?
Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks nice. I like that.
So like, that's this,
Mm-hmm.
and that's this.
Yeah, I like that. I think that looks good.
Okay. I'll do that throughout.
Yeah. Mm. Remember, I'm looking for combinations or permutations. I gotta look up the difference. Used with a list of data, and the combination used for a group of data with the order. What? The order is important. The order is not important in commutation. Combination. All possible. Factory class has to generate a pattern with any to be colored. Pass in the input array. This is what I'm looking for. Combination list. don't want to. Can't use a Python package. Oh wait, Godot has one. I didn't even think about that. Combination. Sure. Mm. No, doesn't look. Mm. Mm. Wait a minute. This is stupid. I need to do this. I need to generate this every time. It's the same for both.
Okay. hate this bug.
Let's. Those will be indexes of these lists. So we'll do for combinations. We'll pass this to an int. Huh? Wow.
Nice.
Save. Our indexes. And specify this is a let's see, is there not an easy method to turn a string into a list?
Probably.
I mean, I could just write a for loop to do it, but I'd like to. It'd be nice if there was just a method that returns it, you know? Find the format. Any of these return an array. You do split, but that has to have a delimiter, doesn't it? Oh no, each substring will be a single character. Oh, okay. Yeah. Split is exactly what I want. Split. Excuse me. For I indexes, we say I equals. Now we cast this to. And then. So we need to make a stream or video stream synchronized. And then Stream. Stream count. Nice. So that fine. That's good.
That's closed. That's closed. Okay. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do, I want feedback, is maybe like extend the beach background up. So just this tile set. That's all I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Extend this up to like cover all this area. Make this the kind of like end, or change this a little bit. But I'd use this tile set, but I probably wouldn't use this background.
Okay.
So just the lake foreground, just have that, and then like dome this with like the beach tile set.
So the lake will pretty much, you won't see the lake at all.
No, you won't see the lake parallax. You won't see the lake background. You just see one platform with the foreground tile set to kind of like imply that you're moving on.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know. I think you could leave it. Like, no, I mean, not leave it. I think you should still put a. If anything, I think you would dome it using the lake tile set, and leave the
yeah,
and leave the windows to the lake, so you can kind of jump up and get a peek at what's up there.
Okay.
To me, that more clearly says there's a different environment up here.
Okay. Do that.
Why is that method not? Why is it not auto-completing for me? Set sync. Oh, maybe because I spelled it wrong. That would do it. Alright. Now we need to generate the. Nations. Clear out. Next. One. Cyber
Hey,
Remy.
Remy.
Hello, welcome to the YouTube stream. Excuse me. I'm gonna go fill up my water bottle. I'll be right back.
Mm-hmm. The heck? Oh, that actually checks out. Please, don't crash. Please don't crash. There you go. Okay. Nice.
All right, I'm back.
Hey.
What was I thinking about? I don't remember. Let's see.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Come here. Wait, are you? Oh, look at that. It's 3 o'clock. Almost on the dot. He wants a scoop. Yeah. Say hi to anyone watching. Can anyone see you? Oh, they can definitely see you. Look. Right there. Yeah. My buddy. Right now.
Okay.
Right here now. Hi. What's up? Alright. I'll get your scoop. Come on. Let's go. Let's get your scoop. Yep, I'm coming.
Okay. If I run this scene on its own, hopefully not too much breaks. Well, that didn't really work the way that I wanted it to. Oh, because there's no return saving. That'll do it.
Okay.
GM. Let's add an underscore there so that's a little bit more legible.
What do you think of this setup?
Let's see. Oh, I like that.
It-
Yeah.
Missing its inner, so like you really won't be able to see much of this because you're just kind of
Mhm.
jumping along here.
Yeah.
Block this off. And then I was gonna make like a little polygon 2D that like is
Fits in
this
there.
line
Yeah.
that is like once you cross that you finish.
Yeah.
Maybe like right here.
Mm-hmm.
So that you're definitely falling inwards.
Sure.
Okay, cool.
And if you wanted to not really help, but sort of boost performance, well, actually, I suppose it won't make a huge difference. But
For the background.
yeah, setting the background polygons for the unused backgrounds to like a triangle
Yeah.
And making it so that the lake background is just that small area, that might help.
Then it'll move really fast. I might shrink it a little bit.
And it'll move really fast. I don't.
Or to not move at all. Wouldn't move at all.
No, I don't think that won't. Oh wait, it might matter because of the size.
Mm-hmm.
No. The size of the area doesn't matter. It's only
Oh,
the
it did.
It's only the size of the images, I think.
No, because if the
We
the
don't have.
size of
I don't think we ever used a rectangle generated from the polygons.
I thought you used the size of the polygons to determine how fast to move them.
No, we used the size of the sprites relative to the size of the camera, I think. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure.
I think there has to be something with the area. Otherwise,
see.
they're not guaranteed to move. To encompass the whole area.
Motion poly set. Oh, you know what? Yeah, we do. Yeah, because we have to get the center of the polygon. Yep, and yeah, you're right. Yeah, so maybe leave the lake one, but all the other ones you can make small.
Cool.
Okay.
Right there. That'll be what it'll be.
That'll trigger the end of the game.
Yep. Once you cross this boundary,
Mm-hmm.
maybe I'll move it a little. I want it to be make sure that you fall in.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, and then it'll do like a fade to black in our wish
I
list
don't
now?
know. Maybe like a. Yeah. Or like a. Maybe like drop an endgame screen, little endgame pop up, like left, be like time,
Mm-hmm.
berries collected, hidden areas used, secret, whatever. Left clicks, right clicks, walls hit, or something. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
And then that'll give like the. Also the.
Is that going to be one of our achievements? Is walls hit 10,000, hit a wall 10,000 times?
It'd be funny. Oh, oops. I can't do that. Custom, right?
What happens if I add 2 dictionaries together? Does that give me a bigger dictionary?
I don't know if you can add dictionaries,
We're
actually.
about to find out. Doesn't feel like something that can be done as easily as adding arrays. Nope. Too hopeful. Okay. I just have a big dictionary with all of them, so do they need to have separate dictionaries? Maybe not. Jeez. We took the keys, and then Upstream. Oh, no way to get the intensity. Intensity's not starting. Shoot.
What do I need to do first?
Now we're just doing intensity.
Yep. Yep. So, okay. No. Okay. I'm gonna write out. Maybe I won't write out. I'm gonna make a ticket with the game over, like flow.
Okay.
So, okay. So right now it's like when you body enters, globals.gameover gets set to true. Which once that happens, the game's timer stops.
Why not?
Already.
Wait. Why not, instead of doing that, why not fire a signal somewhere?
Yeah, I can do that.
Isn't that better practice for Godot to use signals for things? And I guess we already use flags in the global script for everything anyway, so it doesn't make a huge difference. But
Yeah. Um. Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to connect the signals anyways by finding the node. So it's like,
yeah,
I don't know. In this case, since they already exist, I'm not like instantiating them.
yeah,
I don't know.
will make a
But
huge difference.
so like this is the only functionality right now is
Yeah.
this sets this to true, and then game timer doesn't count if it's paused or globals.game over
Mm-hmm.
is true. So that stops that. So the kind of idea that I had in my head right now is that once you go in, what do you think? Should we just completely pause the game? I was kind of thinking like take away player input.
Yeah, so the fish just kind of falls.
So the fish just kind of falls into that water body, and then a new pause menu pops up, and it's like run information,
Mm-hmm.
and then just a couple buttons like restart, main menu, quit the desktop.
Wish list now.
Yeah, wish us now, a little message maybe.
Yeah, like link takes you straight to the Steam page.
Yeah, so game timer stops, maybe alt all input. So this includes pause menu, player controls, that includes checkpoints, left, right. Should I like clear the narrator queue maybe?
Yeah. Well,
Maybe like turn off the narrator.
hey, Pixel Lover, welcome to the YouTube stream.
Hey.
Let's see.
Or do you think we should let it play?
I think we should just let the narrator keep existing at this point.
Okay.
If they want to turn it off, they can. The main narration will have concluded, and the reaction lines are endless, so
Yeah.
it can be endlessly generated.
Is there anything else we need to do? Oh.
I mean, we'll need to like set this. Oh, like leaderboard stuff.
Mm-hmm. If a high score. If so, update. High score.
Where's the background music? Oh, is there no background music on the stream? I didn't notice. No, it's there. Might just be quiet, but it should definitely be there. Yeah.
Okay. Check to see if it's a high score. That's kind of it, right? And then just display end game screen.
Okay, here's a thought. I don't think their high score should ever be stored on their save file.
Hello? So. I swear I heard someone in here. That was creepy.
Like a voice or like someone moving around? Could have been a cat.
Both.
Ah.
Okay. What were you saying? You don't
Uh,
think high score should be saved?
Oh, because that seems like the most easiest. Like, I guess I worried about it should, when it gets to the end, it should basically it should do a poll from the leaderboard and check, does this
Mhm.
person have a high score? And if it does,
That was funny.
then do the associated like new high score thing or
Okay.
whatever. But don't, because if you leave a high score in the save file,
Yeah.
then that can be easily modified.
Okay. I'm gonna leave a separate note on the Trello that if we get the Steam leaderboard hooked up,
Yeah.
to remove that from save.
Yeah.
I score storing and save. Okay. But right now I'm just gonna use the save thing.
Sure. Yeah.
Implement this, and then display endgame screen, which shows run information. Time. Whether or not new high score. Salmon, berries, hidden areas, walls hit, left and right clicks.
That means we
Fun.
gotta start tracking those things too, then, right?
Yeah. But, I don't know, a global somewhere or something. Can't be that hard. Oh, maybe not. Maybe I'll take those off just so this is easier right now.
Sure.
Okay, shows run information and then buttons. What buttons do we want end game? Like new run or like
Yeah.
restart?
Yeah, maybe just new game. Or restart game, because so we can reuse our
Yeah.
UI translations. Restart game. Quit to menu, quit to desktop. And then a wish
Just
list.
no resume.
No resume. So maybe change that to a wish list now button.
Yep. Should we link our website somewhere?
Yeah. Yeah, we could link the website.
Maybe we should just put that in our pause menu too.
Yeah. I'm down with that.
Because that has like the bug form too.
Yeah. Didn't you make a cool little graphic for that?
Maybe like a little interactive button with all the chat jippity.
Oh, yeah.
Game overflow.
This is a slick website.
Yeah, it is pretty clean.
We did a good job with this. It has very minimal
You
effort
did a
put
good
into
job
it.
with it. Okay, let's start getting this hooked up. I'm hoping this isn't gonna break the main scene stuff, because I'm gonna be messing with a lot of the globals and stuff, you know?
Well, worst case scenario, we can make the demo scene the new main scene and just copy over the tile maps from the old one.
Oh, I mean, I think we can, when we're done with the demo and moving back to the main scene, like it'll be pretty easy to copy over the stuff.
Okay.
But I think maybe for like testing stuff, we should just test it in the demo level now.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's gonna break, brace yourself. It's always one change away from breaking. Okay, game manager. Where is game manager scene? I'm beholding you in the molten light. Does this have export variables? God, please tell me no. Woohoo! Huge. Demo level already. Oh, it does. Okay. So I should just be able to go into game manager, delete main game from here, and put the demo level in because they have the same name.
Mm-hmm.
Different scene name, but the same node name. So like,
Node paths should work.
I think so.
It's gonna work. First try.
It's gonna work. Make sure my save isn't there and it doesn't like spawn me in hell. Demo level. Alright. Down there. Lost in LA. Everything but we. It just worked.
It just works.
It worked, Pixel Lover. Can you believe it? Oh, okay.
Never
Something broke.
Duh. What was it?
What? Wait, what script is this? Oh, this is the debug menu, I think. Yeah, the debug menu has an export variable to the main game. Why is that there? That's probably me.
Well, I'll probably set it up, but yeah. Sure, you go ahead and take the blame for that one.
Pretty sure there's a globals main game. Yes.
Yeah. See, we're even improving our older code by doing this.
Who's screaming? One of my cats is screaming. Lost into hell. Holy moly. I'm not even gonna mess with this. It like kind of works. It's like getting the node of the player controller. Get away from that. Hey, no, 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 no. No, no, no. Nice, okay.
It looks like when you call dot keys, it it does in fact return the keys in the order in which they were added.
Yeah, dictionaries do not guarantee order.
No, that's what I'm saying. It does.
It does?
Yeah. I've
I
called.
don't trust that.
I had to call keys for 6 different dictionaries, multiple different times, and it's returned them all in the correct order that every item was added to each of the dictionaries.
My mentality's thinking not gonna work, so exactly. Set the bar low.
Yeah, each of these items were added to the dictionary programmatically, and then I just called get keys to put them into another dictionary, and then I called get keys on that bigger dictionary, and they're all still in order.
Gotta go room tour.
That's
Not
weird.
today.
Keys.
Oh, but the cats are messing with. I got a new yoga ball to stretch my back because they popped my last one, and I put it in a spot in my room that they never play in. Keep them away from it. It's like literally the opposite part of the room where they hang out in, and now they are hanging out at that part of the room by the yoga ball. So I'm like, get away from that. You popped the last one. Come here. No, no, no. You can't be back here, buddy. You're gonna pop it. Ugh. This one. He's the one that popped the last one, I think. This is Toby. He woke me up at 4 in the morning today. I think he wanted to play. He likes his beans rubbed. Let's show off how long you are. Long cat.
Long cat.
Long cat. Meow meow meow.
One sec, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bring my long cat. Long cat.
Watching the stream.
He's very tall. Bends all the way from my waist to my shoulders.
That is a long cat.
I know, but he's probably mad because I just woke him up from a nap.
Oh yeah.
Okay, put my headphones back on. He doesn't even look very big, but he's just got like so much fur.
Yeah.
Okay, now he's gonna go back to sleep. Okay. Audio stream interactive. Add a transition from clip. Transition. Okay. Okay. So. No. Keys. I feel like because I Because I think that dictionary keys are not guaranteed to be in order, I should like be saving this key variable somewhere. But also,
Do you need them to be in order?
I need them to be in order for a little bit until I get the interactive audio player completely set up. At that point, well, no, because I'm using another dictionary to store their index in the audio player. So they don't necessarily need to be in any specific order.
Hey, buddy.
You'd be so proud of me. I'm using so many dictionaries on this system.
Alt all input.
This one is going to be the ID to index. Key is going to be the ID index. Range audio key size, and then we say ID index dictionary at I audio keys I. Wait. Where's global variables? I'm probably looking at that. Global variables are what makes the whole game possible.
Just be careful.
You build a lot of codependency between scenes with them.
Yeah. Alright, what buttons do we want for the main menu?
New game. Resume. Resume game should go on
Continue.
top. Will be disabled on Twitch. Best viewers. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Damn.
New game, continue. Settings. Leaderboard.
Settings, leaderboard,
Quit.
quit. Technically,
What?
there should be like something for credits somewhere in
Oh,
there, but I don't know
credits, yep.
exactly where we should be putting that. Probably the main menu though.
Mm-hmm. So now you can make your own nodes with the use of that one. You can just make a scene. Make your own nodes.
That's kind of
What
what
do you mean by
is.
make your own nodes?
Yeah.
We're not gonna have like, oh. I'm gonna delete this from the demo, that little intermediary scene, and then make a separate scene, like the little tutorial load in, whatever.
Yeah.
So Lock this up in Miro.
Make the other way. It's the index to. No, it's the ID to index. I want the index to ID. Making a class.
Oh. Classes are good.
Mm-hmm. Well, well, that's not totally true though. Classes aren't necessarily nodes. Like, you can make a class out of anything and whenever. Classes are just abstract ideas, right?
Yeah.
But to make a node, you just need to make something that extends something else, and it's technically a node. Like, making your own nodes, I think, is just making scenes, at least the way I understand it, right? Like, scenes are nodes.
Yeah.
And when you make a script attached to a node, it extends node in the same way that node 2D extends node. So when you make a scene, you are making a version of that node for your own purposes. But making a class is something different. That's like making a data type.
Yeah.
And is much more of an abstract idea, I think. Or at least the way I would think of it, than like making nodes and scenes are. Case I. No, I don't even need that because I just transitioned straight to the title. So, do I even need this dictionary? I don't even know if I do. Because I have the index here. I don't think this dictionary is necessary. Okay, let's get rid of it. The audio stream player clips. What did I call it? I call it the interactive player. I don't know, that makes 4 things I should learn: UI, global variables, classes, and making nodes. I
don't think making nodes is a thing.
Making nodes is I think that's what I was trying to say, is when you make a scene, that is making a node. UI is a good thing to learn, and you're learning to use global variables is super simple. Look, we can show you. You press project settings, and go to globals, and then you press this folder here, and you can select any scene in or script. Doesn't have to be a scene, can just be a script in your project, and give it a name, and it becomes a global variable. And that means it is loaded automatically at your game start. It's not part of the scene tree, right? It's just loaded automatically. It's there. Or I guess it is part of the scene tree, but you don't have to add it specifically. And then from anywhere in your game, you can call that class or that node. So we have a global node called globals, because it stores all of the global data that we want to access anywhere. And so in this script, I can go globals dot areas on screen, or globals dot fishy, or globals dot narrator, because we've, in our global script here, have assigned all of those values to be kept track of by this global script. Super helpful, but it does mean a lot of things are super well connected, and that can be hard to sort of untangle.
Okay, what about something like this?
Let me see.
You see this? Better colors and like font and whatever, but like that layout. And then if you have a loaded game, it will do like that.
Yeah.
I think that looks good. I would
Yeah.
prefer if they were double stacked, actually, I feel like, you know? Maybe like make it a little thinner.
Make them a little thinner and have two of them. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think the reward credits quit. Yeah.
So that's what that looks like.
Mm-hmm.
And then on start, it looks like that.
Yeah, you don't even have to. Honestly, you could just keep it the same size and just hide the continue button.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Actually, I don't know where I thought this. Oh, you're good.
Oh, good.
What is going on? Why are you bugging? The other cat is bugging. Do that.
Got to set up add the audio stream declare dot. Where is audio stream interactive? Clip
Settings brings up the settings.
Okay, this is not giving me the methods I wanted to. Oh, I think that's fine.
Eat that text. Oh my god. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. V box. 1, 2. H box. H box.
Set stream. Right.
"30 seconds."
Mm.
I've also been very bad about looking at chat, I think.
Yeah. Well, that one just came in, so I don't know. I think that's probably just Wi-Fi. Nothing really I can do about it. We're streaming on 3 platforms today instead of 2, like we were yesterday, so that could be it as well.
Yeah, also, YouTube has been like notoriously bad though. Like Twitch has been so much better, like, easier.
Yeah. Yeah. Big dictionary, and the key is going to be at keys. That's index I. For a green 0, I plus 1. That goes 0 to I. Set to add transition from I to J. partition from I to J.
See, isn't this cool pixel over? I'm making a UI and it automatically centered everything. Pretty neat. Pretty neat.
Bar to start. Fade mode is going to be crossfade. Fade beats, we're going to have 4.0. Use filler clip false. Okay. Be meh. Set the transition for all previously added clips. Get the audio stream index in the clips list. I don't think I need to do that.
Actually, we won't expand that.
All right. That was big line that I just wrote. Let's see if it works without error. Oh, there are 540 errors in the debugger.
Woo!
Okay.
Should make a button. You make a button theme.
Attractive player and the clips.
Flat button. Oh.
Wait a minute. Greater. Are there too many clips for me to add? Oh my god. How many are there?
There's a lot of bees today. You like that?
Clips, audio keys. There's 90. Is there the limit really less than 90? Clip count. Doesn't say anything about a limit on the number of clips.
Okay.
Maybe I don't need to. No, I
What's
messed.
angry? Oh, I haven't used that in forever. Okay. Huh? Outline size, icon max width. What? I can't add outline size? Seriously? Oh, here it is. I need outline size. Icon max width. Style. Styles icon. Mm. Doesn't look bad.
guess if I know.
Okay. What do we want to do? Let's try to hammer down this like in between scene thing, this like tutorial scene.
Yeah.
Like how? What are we doing for that?
Okay. I think the way I envision it is
So like you hit
press-
new game.
you hit new game. It fades to black.
Make a list.
The fish fades onto screen in the center of the screen. And
Mhm.
then on the left side, it says left button and shows the bound left button. And on the right side of the fish, it says right button and lists whatever that button is. And if you press either one of those, it will make the fish's tail move. But the fish won't move because it'll be just set center.
Mm-hmm.
And then it will say our opening line, which is like, thank you for downloading the Upstream demo or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And that is the tutorial. And once the
And then
line is done, it
this-
fades to black and the game starts.
says opening line 5. Once line is done, fades to black and game starts. Cutscene, kind of a cutscene.
Yeah. You could even have a press space to or press checkpoint to continue if we wanted to like limit it or something. I don't know.
What do you mean limit it?
Like, not even limit it. Give them the opportunity to choose when to start the game or to skip this if they wanted to skip the. Because and this should only happen on the very first new game.
Yeah. I don't think we should give them an option to skip. I think
Okay.
first time they play ever, we hit them with this.
Okay. Yeah.
Can't skip. It's pretty much a cut. It's like an interactable cutscene. Like,
Yeah.
all they can hit is left and right. They can't pause. It's just running. Like,
Mhm.
yeah.
I don't know. Is there anything else you think needs to be in there?
I don't think so. We had a note on here that said option to turn on hold to swim from the start. I don't know. I kind of think we should keep it as minimal as possible. This sounds pretty clean right now.
Yeah, I think so too.
Unless like we have a narration line mentioning hold to swim tutorial, but
I think there is something. I think it says if you want to change your game settings, you can do so in the pause menu.
okay, perfect. That's enough. Like
Let me pull
people
it
should
up
be able to
here.
figure that out.
It says, thank you for downloading the Upstream demo. Upstream is a challenging physics platformer where you control a salmon using only 2 buttons. The journey of a salmon can be frustrating, so feel free to take breaks. Your progress will always be saved. If you want to customize your gameplay experience, you can find options to do so in the pause menu. Thank you again for playing. I'm so excited to go on this journey together.
Cool.
And then it'll fade to black, and then it'll just start the game.
It'd be nice too, I think, if we had like a little. What do you think? Should we have like a little like menu music playing while that goes, or maybe like some waves or something?
Yeah, I think
Maybe
we
the
could.
water sound.
I think water sound could be playing behind that.
Yeah.
I don't think we want music because I think there'll be music in the menu and that'll fade out when you press
Mm-hmm.
press play.
fish page onto center screen. I'll say water sounds fade in too. It's a different vibe.
Yeah, it's not the same game.
Like, Bennett Foddy did that, and it was good, but I don't know.
Our game is a little less philosophical and a little less meta.
Yeah. Tongue in cheek, I think. Like, okay, so that. And you think about how we're gonna do the saves now, because like, game save load shouldn't save. Let me think. No, game save load should save now on load. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I think I should do that. I should separate. This is something I heard people doing. Was people separated game save files from settings saving. So they have a settings config file that gets ran separately from a game save file. That way we can load the settings on start.
Yeah.
And all we have to do is check to see if there's
if a save file
exists.
Yeah.
Then display the continue. Then when you hit continue, we go and actually like load in and do like the whole get data.
Yeah.
Okay. Like there's so many parts now that I like all have to make and hook up. I'm like trying to figure out the best route to do this. Okay, I think right now I'm gonna try to get new game to change to a scene. It's like black, has a 5-second timer, and then starts the game. Maybe.
Yeah.
That's what I'll start with.
Yeah, start with that.
And then
add one piece at a time.
Yeah. Yeah. I need like a snack or something.
Sounds good.
Popsicle.
Nice. Okay, I gotta make a post on the Godot forum because I don't know. There's nothing in the documentation about this.
What's happening?
I'm trying to set up my interactive audio player, my interactive audio stream.
Yeah.
And the list of clips, there is no method to like add or to like add a clip to the list of clips. there is a way to set the audio file for a clip. And so I thought, okay, maybe I have to set the clip count, so the value, to be a certain number.
Yeah.
And then just like go through the indexes and like set each index to a specific thing. Not that, but it gave me like an error when I tried to do that. Let me try stream.set clip count. Stream set clip count. See what happens when we run that one. That will give us an audio stream.
Popsicle.
And that gave me an error saying,
Nah, just orange. No cream. I would have been better.
The P count is less than 0 or is greater than max clips. What if I
Max clips.
What if I tried just setting it to like 2? Will it still give me that error? Because maybe 90 is too many. Oh shoot, 90 might be too many.
Maybe you need to make 2 of them.
No, wait, this definitely didn't work the way it was supposed to, though, because a clip count is 2.
I get hungry.
So if I go to the remote and go to the interactive player, so setting the clip count to 2 didn't do anything. There's still no clips here. So it's possible that 90 might be too many. But it doesn't say that anywhere. Has no minimums or maximums.
What's the node called?
Audio Stream Interactive.
Audio stream.
Or Audio Stream Player Interactive, excuse me. Appears similar in nature to the audio animation systems. Places if you can use the following line of code. Type get stream playback dot switch to clip by name.
Audio stream player interactive?
No, sorry. Just Audio Stream Interactive.
Audio stream interactive. Yeah, it's good stuff.
How to add a clip to Stream Interactive. It tells me telling me how to switch clips in code, but I know how to do that already. I need to add them. Okay, let's make an account for the Godot forums if we don't have one already. We might. Okay, we made an account. We are going to make a post. New topic. Help. Go version 4.3. Tags. X. GD script. Let me actually search the forums first to make sure I'm not posting something that hasn't been answered already. How to check volumes and start clips. Let's go to the different music. See you, Pixel Lover. Have a good time. Hello. Oops. Right. Fanny. Should make sure that dictionary. This one points to an audio stream synchronized with streams. There's nothing in there either. Oh, shoot. What's up?
I think I found your answer.
You found something? Where?
And then Control F max clips, all caps, underscore, then underscore between max and clips.
You're looking in the engine?
Yeah.
Max clips 63. That's annoying.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Okay, what am I gonna do about this? Thing about it though is even when I set the max clips to like 5 or something, and then I put a breakpoint on the line afterwards, like, and I look, the clips have not been changed, or like there aren't actually Like that's setting the max number of clips.
Yeah.
Or like that's setting the clip count, but the clip count has not been changed. I don't know. Hmm. Put a breakpoint there. And let's copy this line. We're gonna set count to 5. And run. We go to Music Manager, Interactive Player. And their audio stream player does not have any clips.
My God, I'm gonna have to redo all of this shit. Oh. Whatever. I'm gonna have to like drink some caffeine tomorrow and lock in just like music, just like there's so much stuff I have to hook up here.
Yeah.
If I'm changing, like literally all of this shit pulls from the save.
Which
So,
now
like,
needs to
I
be
have-
a new save.
Which if I change to a config file, it's gonna have to be a different setup.
Shoot.
I'm just gonna do it.
Is
Like,
that worth doing though?
yeah, I
Okay.
think so. Um, just not gonna bring up the pause menu right now. Ugh. Color rect.
Okay, you'll see. If we get any posts. Pending. meantime, what am I to do about this? I guess I have to break this. I have to like subdivide it more is the way to do it. Because instead of having just one giant interactive player that picks everything from everything, I have to have a player that picks based off which area you're in, and then each one of those things is another player that then selects the intensity, and then there's another player that selects the specific variant. Okay, I can do that.
Hopefully that's not like a big performance hit.
I don't think it is. I think that's how these are designed. My understanding is that's how these are designed to be used, is like sort of telescoping interactive and synchronized players. I just don't know if there's a way to not do it in the editor, because I really don't want to set this up in editor.
I need to make a new scene.
And if someone answers my question here, that should also tell me how to do this next part.
Call this... this tutorial screen. How did I do this in the main menu? Show me a texture act. Change type to color. Correct. Layouts. No, it doesn't have a control parent. Isn't this working?
Hmm.
This isn't expanding. Oh, do I need to set rec? Our screen.
Hmm.
If I set this to 1920 by 1080,
Yeah.
am I gonna be okay? Does it have to be a hard-coded black screen and with scaling and stuff?
I think so. That's what our game is rendered at.
Yeah.
Let's see. So for each of these, the ocean, let's see how big the ocean goes.
Mhm.
Ocean combos is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 90. Okay.
So confused.
So separate each one.
What?
Anything? No, it's still bad.
Skipping.
Continue. 1. Let sink stream. Up. Okay, that's true. Sing stream. Okay. Should be 1. Sing stream should have some. It doesn't. Why is why is 0? Oh. access +1, huh? That's probably why. See if that fixes it. Let's see. Set sync stream. That's the method I use.
Oh shit, that's not what we want. You want to load game manager. See if we can find anything on audio stream synchronized.
Did you get any more response to the issue that you were that you made on the GitHub?
Let me see. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Last time I checked, it was just the OP asking how the OP posted a project, and it was him.
That's
Yep.
so funny.
Did you look at it?
No, I haven't. Let me go look.
Pretty funny. Yeah, no one's commented since then. That's hilarious.
Let's see. Hmm. Well, what is it called? I can't.
I can link you.
Sure. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, I think this is hooked up.
Cool.
Nope. I cannot convert argument 1 from object to string. Oh, yep. Just be a string. Oh, shoot. It's good. That worked.
That's super funny.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Check this out.
Hmm.
Boom.
Okay.
And then 3, 2.
Instant.
Yep.
And is it playing the narration right now?
Yeah.
Cool. And now, if you well, does the continue button work?
No, I have not hooked that up.
Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Why is my forum post not getting approved? Okay, let's take a look at a YouTube video. Okay, thanks for this YouTube ad. Set extreme volume track ID. No, this is all still setting it in the editor. Set.
Oh goodness, I can't.
What?
The stream I'm watching.
Hmm. Wait a minute, why does this Godot forum look different? Forum.godotengine.org? GodotForums.org.
I sent you some messages. So funny.
Yeah. Playback, get stream playback, that's switched. Get stream playback, maybe that's what I need to be doing? What is an audio stream? Let's look at audio stream playback interactive. Oh, switch to clip, switch. Okay, that's how we switch then. What about for the synchronized playback? Synchronized. No documentation. Wonderful. Okay. Forum post is still pending. That's okay.
That's right. I don't change the color.
Should clear. Oh, no, that's pretty quick. Never mind.
But how do they know exactly
Have a long loading time when it comes to
where to return to? The smell of their
Oh. Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, sounds good. Wait a minute.
Bang. see what happens when I load this. Why didn't that work? That's why.
Okay, well, it's about 5 o'clock here.
Oh yeah. Hey, you want to call it?
Yeah, I'm gonna start closing up the streams. I have a class to go to this afternoon or this evening.
Oh.
A conducting class with the Youth Symphony here in Tacoma.
Oh. That's cool.
Yeah. All right. If you're still watching, thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate you spending
Yep.
time with us this afternoon. If you haven't already, go wishlist Upstream on Steam now. Demo will be coming very soon. If you want to stay up to date on everything we're working on, follow us on all social medias. We do appreciate it. Have a good
Yep.
night.
See y'all.